Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Miss Meena and today I am sharing this beautiful party eye makeup tutorial for beginner and super easy. Let's start the video. So I have done my brows starting with the Christine eye cake. This is a white color cake and using with the wet brush, and I am going to make this eye base with the help of this cake. It's so super cool for the eyes. Next I am using this color from Gorgeous Me Beauty Glazed palette, and I am applying this soft and beautiful shade on my crease line. Crease line is a basic line to enhance your eyes. Next I am going to take this orange peachish and yummy and super nice shade from this same palette, and I am going to apply the outer view of my eyes. Always go with the lighter shade to darker shade, as the next I am using this dark brown shade for my outer V. Next step is my most favorite. I am using highlighter, Christine Beauty highlighter, and it's almost going to finish but I will apply the highlighter with the help of wet brush. Because of using wet brush, it enhances the color of highlighter and any eyeshadow. Next I am going to use the Dermacool ivory shade base, and I am going to cut my eye crease. And if you are beginner, please try something new and try the hacks of cut crease. There are several hacks on TikTok, Snack and YouTube as well. As you can see, this is summer and this makeup looks really beautiful. Now I am going to shade this matte and lighter shade I am applying on my crease, because it will enhance my crease more. I am doing a really beautiful nice shade. You can use a red lipstick with this. And now I am going to Dermacool High Beam. This is so beautiful highlighter. As a highlighter you can use, and I am using for this to enhance my crease. Now I am using Miss Rose glitter palette and using this peachish color to apply on my crease line. In this video I am using a really simple and easy method for beginners with all the affordable products for you guys. So don't forget to like my video and share. The next I am going to use Kashi's super black gel eyeliner. This is super black, and I am using this nail art brush because it is really beautifully applied the liner. As you can see, I am using a basic eyeliner. If you are new, please watch my this liner video. Next I am applying the same brown shade on my lower lash line, because lower lash line is so much important in any makeup. If you are beginner, please remember one thing: highlighting your eye is most important, and I am using Christine highlighter to highlight my inner corner of my eyes. And now I did cut the lash, and I am using this size eyelash. You can use any full lash or a half. I applied Huda Beauty lash glue and we keep for the 2 minutes or 1 minute. Now I am applying a mascara. Is my favorite, as you all know. Now after 1 minute I am going to apply this lash, and you can see now I am setting my lash with the back of the tweezers. It's an easiest way, and pushing it upward. Now in the inner corner of my eye I am going to apply this eyeliner. This makes my look really beautiful. So here is the final look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and content, please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new here. I will see you soon with a brand new one. Till then, take care of yourself and your family, and remember me in your prayers. Thank you. Bye bye.